Hey everybody, Paul Burke, I'm from the Gaming, doing another video for Cookie Mama Sweet Shop on Nintendo 3DS. We got 3 more recipes left, so let's get these done. Chestnut yokan. When the scissors open, touch them to peel the chestnuts. I'd like to thank everyone for your donations, your likes, your subscriptions, your family-friendly comments. Remember, keep your comments safe for kids. We keep our channel safe for advertisers. I appreciate all the companies who expressed an interest in sponsoring Family Friendly Gaming on the website and of course the YouTube channel. Thank you for that. Also appreciate everyone who's been buying copies of my books on Amazon and Kindle. Thank you for doing those. Really appreciate it. When the chestnuts in the pot rise and change colors, skewer them and take them out. I appreciate everyone buying the Video Game Lies book, the 2 Future Glimpses books, and the Family Friendly Gaming devotional. Thank you for that. Oh, that's how you're supposed to... Okay. At the end of the minigame, I finally figured out what I was supposed to do. They showed me just to, like, fling it off, and that didn't work. Just the heat by pressing the buttons. Okay. Well, hey, you know, you learned something. This won't be 100. Got it. There we go, done with that one. Mix, add, and boil touching screens indicating touch the flame icon to adjust the heat. Okay, so we gotta stir when this one comes up. What? Brown? What's the brown one? I don't know. What am I putting in? I don't know. It doesn't show. Am I missing where I'm supposed to put something in? It doesn't even show. This one's gonna be a horrible failure the way we're going. 2 bronzes already. Tilt the bowl, pouring until it reaches the dotted line. I don't get what was going on there. I think I've had a problem with that before, though. It's like it doesn't always tell you what to put in there. And so you're just kind of guessing. It's like it doesn't show you an image of what it wants. You're like, what am I putting in? Well, maybe I have to go back on the video and watch it, because I seem to move objects around the fridge. Place an empty area. I also seem to be missing what I'm supposed to do there. There's some hint I'm not seeing. Well, it goes there. I was going to try and open room on the bottom, but hey, that's fine. Alright, we're back on the gold. Excuse me. Remove the contents by rubbing the arrow up and down. The trick is to carefully time when to stop touching it. You stop touching when it's green. We've done this before. Lots of times. Even better than Mama. I know. Cut the ingredients and move the knife up and down. Ooh, I like doing the knife. Me and the knife work well together. See, I told you me and the knife work well together. What, I got like a 70? Chestnut yokan. 75. Hey. Well, silver. Really? I mean, Mama would have failed those? Sure. Okay. Oh, let's put this chocolate swirl thing up here. That looks good. Alright, let's do some lollipop candy. Ooh! Adjust the heat by pressing the buttons. Got it. There we go, done again. Select any color icon you like and color the candy. Stretch it to the left and the right to mix it. Alright, purple, blue, and red. Stretch the candy by rolling back and forth until the gauge is full. Fill, gauge, fill. Two. One more. Three. Shape it by touching the screen as indicated. Skewer and a stick to finish it off. Swirly. Selecting the design you like, moving the heart-shaped knob left or right. There we go. I think we're back. Yep, back in the perfects. I'm back in the perfect club again. Alright, one more. Oh, here she comes. So, someone here? Hello, I thought I'd drop by again. Oh, this is the sweet. That's the sweet I asked for last time you made it. I'll take one, thank you. Simply delicious. I'm gonna share this with the world. I'll have your shop set up right away. Right on, the place is... It's your store, so good luck. Your shop has gone global. Alright, one more recipe to do. Make a delicious parfait with ingredients you're choosing. Oh. Okay. Okay. Just one more. Alright, we finished the parfaits. I don't know how you could fail that one. It's an easy 100. Not that it took much skill. Sweets complete. Alright, we got all the recipes. That looks good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this video here. I think I'll do another video. We'll kind of show other parts of the game. So I don't know how much longer we'll have this series go. But we'll just kind of show other parts. And, you know, let me know what you think. Please leave your comments below. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.